Hey everyone, Jeff Long here from EndTheHype.com, and I got a really special message for you today. David and I have worked really hard on this system to bring the most value to you as our End the Hype members as possible. And if you're not a member yet, we are constantly working to provide more value and to help this thing convert much better and to help you drive traffic so that you can get more leads and more sales and build your downline. That's the whole purpose of the system. And if you haven't noticed, over the last couple of days, you probably have been receiving some follow-up messages on your cell phone if you gave us your cell phone number. And in the next few days, you're going to start receiving some phone calls directly from David and myself, literally following up with you on behalf of the person that sent you here. So you can see that we really are doing everything we can for our members, which is why you need to become a member, because David and I are working on your behalf. We do this full time. We've been doing this for years. This is all we do. So we have all the time in the world to work on your behalf. If you have a job or you want to do something else other than work, that's fine. You drive the traffic, you bring in the leads and the prospects, and David and I will go to work for you. Now here's the problem. And you'll notice I'm out here on in a baseball field right now. First of all, baseball is my favorite game. I love the atmosphere. I just love the feel of a field, so that's why I'm out here. But also, I want to equate this to your business and the hype, as well as AMA Nation and anything you're doing on the internet. You know, one of my favorite movies is Field of Dreams, and it's the really famous quote, "If you build it, they will come." Well, folks, unfortunately, that's not the way it works in internet marketing, and that's certainly not the way it works within the hype. Now, we built an amazing system here. Obviously, it's working great. You can see the activity on the site. But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Doesn't matter how great the system is. If nobody sees it, then you're not going to be able to produce any results. You're not going to get any leads. You're not going to get any sales. So David and I are constantly thinking of ways to help bring more value by helping you learn how to drive more traffic to the site and providing tools and resources to help you do that. So that's what our offer is for you today, is we're going to give you literally $300 off of the most amazing traffic generation, lead generation software that is just launched in the last few days. Now, we are not going to make a cent off of this. We don't care. We don't want to make money off of it. We want you to have the tool, and we want you to drive the traffic so you can build your downline and make some sales here at End the Hype and AMA Nation. That's what it's all about. So if you become a member before the end of the month, before October 31st, 2010, obviously, we are going to give you literally $300 off LeadNet Pro, the hottest lead generation software out there right now. Now, if you become a member, again, by the end of the month, we're also going to give you free access and a free membership to my tool that I created and my service called Instant Email Signature. And David and I are going to create a training on this so you understand the power of instant email signature and how you can literally just use your emails and the emails that people send you to automatically start driving traffic to your End the Hype site and start building your AMA downline. Folks, we are constantly, again, trying to add value for this, add value to the system for you, and this is what we have done. Okay, so you're going to get $300 off LeadNet Pro. Folks, that's a real $300 value. We're waiving our commission. We're saying you don't have to pay that. We're just going to give it to you because we want you to use the software. We're also going to be providing some training on how to use the software, although the training is already available to you, to help you learn how to use it to drive traffic to End the Hype. But it's awesome. So check the link on this page. You can learn all about the software. Again, folks, we're not trying to promote something here to you. This is a tool we're basically giving you. Now, you're going to have to pay the admin fee, which doesn't go to us. We don't make any money on it. We don't have any control over that. That's $97. $97 is all you're going to have to pay. It's normally $397. So we're waiving our commission, giving it to you absolutely free on our behalf. Okay, so we're giving that to you as a $300 value. Then you're going to get an instant email signature free membership, which is a $97 value if you're going to buy it for the year, and or $10 a month. So definitely some great things that we're giving to you here, folks, and I highly encourage you to take action. Join End the Hype so that you can receive these things. If you're already a member, the instructions for how to get these bonuses are in your members area, so definitely check it out there. We are constantly working on your behalf. Let us go to work for you. If you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? There's not a better system on the internet to help produce results for you. So thanks again on behalf of David and myself. We appreciate your time, your effort, and your attention, and let us help you. Take care.